Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I wanted to talk to you guys about how to be confident. So today I want to be talking to you guys about how to be confident. Now confidence is not something that you can just get overnight, it's something that you need to work on over a period of time. So the first tip to being even more confident than you are now is to wear things that you feel you're best in. So by this I mean wear clothes that you know that you look good in and that you really enjoy wearing and that you're comfortable in and that you feel happy in and content with. The worst thing is going to school or college or university or whatever you're doing, being uncomfortable and not knowing whether you love the outfit that you're wearing or not. The next tip that I have for you guys is a little bit strange. It's about working on your posture and your body language. So if you have your arms crossed, you know, you're slouched and all that, you don't come across as looking confident. You come across looking nervous and shy and you don't want to talk to anybody. You're making it seem like you don't want to talk to anyone, that you're, shy, you don't want to talk to anybody. So yeah, sit up straight, put your shoulders back, relax, keep your chin up, because it's really weird, but scientifically people have proven that just raising your head, looking up higher really does make you feel good. It produces endorphins, which does make you feel better. The third tip that I have for you guys is to smile. Smiling is probably one of the most easiest tips that I have for you guys, but it is so difficult to do in social situations. You don't see many people smiling when they're talking to people because they're engaged and they're listening. Smile a bit more often, because then that way you'll look like you really are engaged in the conversation and that you're actually paying attention and that you cannot wait to, put your side of the story into it. It's just about looking more engaged in the conversation. The fourth tip that I have for you guys is to focus on the people that you surround yourself with. So if you're constantly hanging around negative influences, then you are probably going to start having a negative outlook as well. So make sure that you're surrounding yourself with the most positive people that you possibly can, and you will feel more confident as well by just hanging around with more positive people. And the fifth and final tip that I have for you guys is to stop criticizing yourself. Criticizing yourself, you are your own worst enemy. Stop criticizing yourself. You are beautiful inside and out, and I just hope that you'll realize that you really are beautiful inside and out, and I hope this video really helps you feel the best that you possibly can about yourself, feel confident and feel uplifted and feel happy in your own body and build up your self-esteem. Everybody, that's all the tips that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm really sorry I've been gone for a little while. I've just been busy, I haven't had the motivation to sit down and film a video, and today was the day, so I'm sat here, I'm filming a video, and yeah. By the way, this was also a collaboration with Alana. Alana is a brilliant friend of mine, and we were organising for this to be a collab quite a while ago, but I got busy. Thank you for being patient, Alana. Thank you for doing this collab with me, and please go subscribe to her, guys. She's done an amazing bunch of tips over on her channel. I'll link it down below, and thank you very much for watching. Comment down below some more video ideas, or whether you enjoyed this video and what you thought, and subscribe over here or over here, whichever corner it's in, if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.